Well, let me introduce you to our wire maze project. And in the wire maze project, we have a base, which is 3D printed. We have a breadboard, which has lots of electronic components. We have a Uno as well, Arduino Uno. And then we have a whole bunch of electronic components and wires and a whole variety of other things. So let me show you how it works. So it's traditionally called a wire maze or skill tester. We have this loop, and the loop just goes over the wire, and then I have to try and sort of navigate through the design, the wire without hitting it. And I've hit it lots of times. Oh, it broke. So let me hit it the last time. Chunk. Okay. So my wire broke. So now it's flashing crazily because I've hit it 4 times. So the idea is that if you hit it once, one light comes on, it'll buzz twice, second light comes on, third time, and fourth time sets off the alarm, the police come and you get arrested. Alright, so that's our wire maze project. You can see it's got some bolts sort of down here which attach to our wire. We've also got some wires coming out of the circuit board which attach to our little skill tester loop. Alright, so let me just move that out of the way and show you what we're going to be working on today. We're going to be working on this, which is the base. And the base can be whatever shape you want. It's about 5mm thick. It's got these extra little bits on the side here which hold our bolts, which then in turn hold our wire. This gap here is for the breadboard, shunk, and this gap here is going to be for our Uno. It's got this little sort of gap sort of cut out on the side there. Okay, so that's what we're going to be working on today. Before we do anything else, we're going to just get a piece of paper, boom, and we're going to get a pencil. I'm going to use a marker in this situation. Plug that out, move it out. So, and you're going to work on a couple of designs. So we're going to do 4 designs, and we're going to think about where the breadboard's going to go. We're going to think about where the Arduino Uno is going to go, and we're going to think about where the wires are going to be attached to the bolts. So, shunk, I just quickly drew a few of those. I first start off by drawing my breadboard in, and I think about where my Uno wants to go, and then I'm going to draw, this is my amazing sauropod design. Bonk, 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 bonk. Okay, there's my sauropod design. It's fantastic. This is my Uno, this is my breadboard, and I'm going to use these here as holes for my wire maze to go on. Yep, here on this robot, that's where the wire maze is going to go. It's going to go across there, and I haven't worked out Pac-Man where they're going to go. I'm going to probably do that. Oh, I don't know. What do I know? Maybe like that, I can have some sort of, like his tongue. I don't know, that's weird. Okay, but it's going to go like that. So I'm just going to think of 4 ideas on a piece of paper that I'm going to draw out initially, and then I'm going to open up Tinkercad and I'm going to think about how I'm going to put this together. So that's the first step, guys. Piece of paper, start thinking about where the breadboard's going to go, where the Uno's going to go, and a bit of a theme, but you need 4 ideas at least, and then you'll need a chosen idea from there. Okay.